There are AI websites quietly replacing jobs, speeding up businesses, and helping people make money online every single day. And most people have no idea they even exist. Not because they are secret, but because people are still stuck using AI the wrong way. They think AI is just ChatGPT, maybe some image generator, maybe a writing tool, but the truth is something very different. There are AI websites today that can design videos, build websites, write code, generate business ideas, automate marketing, create content, and even run entire workflows without you lifting a finger. And the crazy part, most of them are free or extremely cheap. So in this video, we are going to break down 10 AI websites you should be using right now if you want to save time, increase productivity, and stay ahead in 2026. Some of these will feel simple, some will feel unbelievable, and a few of them might completely change how you work forever. Let's begin. The real power of AI websites. Before we jump into the list, you need to understand something important. AI is not one tool. It is an entire ecosystem. And the people who are winning right now are not the ones who use AI casually. They are the ones who combine different AI websites together like a system. One tool for writing, one tool for design, one tool for video, one tool for automation. When you connect them properly, you stop working like a human and start working like a machine-powered system. That's where the real advantage is. Now, let's get into the tools. Number 10, ChatGPT. Let's start with the obvious one. ChatGPT is not just a chatbot. It is a thinking partner, a writing assistant, a research tool, and a business helper all in one. People use it for scripts, emails, ideas, coding, marketing, and even learning new skills. But the real power is not in asking simple questions. The real power is in giving it systems. When you treat ChatGPT like an assistant instead of a toy, everything changes. You can build entire businesses using just this one tool as your brain extension. And this is only the beginning. Number 9, Canva AI. Design used to be a skill that took years to learn. Now it takes minutes. Canva AI allows you to create thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, ads, and even short videos without design experience. You just describe what you want, and it builds it for you. This is powerful for freelancers, content creators, and small business owners. Because in today's world, attention is everything. And Canva AI helps you capture that attention faster than ever. Number 8, Runway ML. Video creation used to require expensive software and editing skills. Now Runway ML is changing that completely. It allows you to generate videos, edit scenes, remove backgrounds, and create cinematic visuals using AI. This is a game changer for YouTube creators and marketers, because suddenly you don't need a production team. You just need an idea, and AI turns it into visuals. This is one of the biggest shifts in content creation we have ever seen. Number 7, Pika Labs. Pika Labs takes AI video generation even further. You can turn text into short cinematic clips. You can animate scenes. You can create visual storytelling content in seconds. This is why faceless channels are growing so fast right now. Because one person can now produce content that used to take an entire team, and that changes everything for online creators. Number 6, Notion AI. Notion used to be just a productivity tool. Now with AI, it has become a full planning and thinking system. You can write documents, organize tasks, generate summaries, and build entire workflows. It helps you structure your thoughts and projects in a way that actually makes sense. For students, freelancers, and business owners, this becomes a second brain. And once you use it properly, you never go back to messy notes again. Number 5, Copy AI. Copywriting is one of the most valuable skills online, and Copy.ai makes it faster and easier than ever. It helps you generate ads, product descriptions, emails, landing pages, and marketing content in seconds. Businesses use it to save time and increase sales. Freelancers use it to deliver work faster, and beginners use it to learn how good marketing actually sounds. Because once you see AI-generated copy, you start understanding persuasion better. Number 4, Leonardo AI. Visual content is everything online. Leonardo AI allows you to create high-quality images, characters, product designs, and digital art. It is widely used in game design, branding, thumbnails, and creative projects. Instead of hiring expensive designers, people now generate professional visuals in minutes, and the quality is improving every single month. This is one of the fastest growing AI tools in the creative space. Number 3, Suno AI. Music creation used to require instruments, training, and studio time. Now Suno AI can generate full songs from simple text prompts. You can create background music, beats, or even full vocals instantly. This is huge for content creators, because now you can produce original soundtracks without copyright issues or expensive production costs. It completely changes how digital content is made. Number 2, 11 Labs. Voiceovers are essential for YouTube, ads, audiobooks, and content creation. 11 Labs allows you to generate extremely realistic human-like voices. You can clone voices, change tone, and create natural narration in multiple languages. This is why faceless channels are exploding, because now you don't need to record your own voice. AI can do it for you in seconds, and the quality is almost indistinguishable from real humans. Number 1, browser automation.ai tools. Now, this is the most powerful category. Tools that allow AI to actually perform tasks inside your browser. Filling forms, sending emails, researching data, managing workflows, automating repetitive actions. This is where AI stops being a tool and starts becoming an assistant that actually works for you. Businesses are already using automation to save hundreds of hours every month, and individuals are starting to do the same. This is not the future anymore. It is already happening. Why most people still fail with AI? Even with all these tools, most people will still not succeed. And the reason is simple. They collect tools but never build systems. They try everything but master nothing. They jump from website to website without purpose. But the people who win are different. They pick a niche. They build a workflow. They combine tools, and they execute consistently. AI does not reward knowledge. It rewards application. We are living in a time where access to powerful tools is no longer the problem. Execution is the problem. The gap between people is no longer education. It is action. Because while most people are still trying to understand AI, a small group is already using it to build income, businesses, and digital assets. And that gap will only grow wider. So the real question is simple. Will you just watch AI change the world? Or will you actually use it before everyone else catches up? If you enjoy this video, subscribe for more content about AI, business, productivity, and making money in the digital world. And remember this, tools don't change lives. The people who use them do.